How do you want to be remembered? Or how would you want your loved one to be remembered? Many people choose to be honored with religious services, but the celebration of the values, accomplishments, and legacy of a life, in whatever form that takes, is equally healing. Traditional, modern, or contemporary ceremonies can be tailored to accommodate personal preferences. For instance, a traditional service may include religious services, which can be personalized to reflect your most closely held beliefs, both within and with the support of your faith community. Whereas a modern or contemporary service may include an evening candlelight service. Non-denominational services may be customized in a variety of ways to suit your tastes. It's the act of honoring, remembering, and celebrating a life that has the power to console the living. It's important to realize you can plan for peace of mind tomorrow by thinking about it today. The team at plantoday.ca is able and available to guide you through everything you'll need to know. Visit plantoday.ca to find out more.